If two wheels don't feel safe anymore and you want your independence back, this video is for you. Covering the 7 best electric trikes for 2026. From the most affordable folding pick to the most advanced semi-recumbent model you can buy. All links are in the description. Stick around till the end. The #1 trike does something no other one on this list can do. Starting at number 7, the NARRAK Folding 700 Watts, the best entry-level folding pick for first-time electric trike riders. You want to get back on 3 wheels, but most modern trikes feel overbuilt. NARRAK strips all that away. First, a 350 watts motor with 700 watts peak, enough push for gentle hills and headwinds without overwhelming a brand new rider. Next, a Shimano 7-speed drivetrain, real gear range, not just throttle, drop gears on inclines, cruise on flats. Finally, a folding step-through frame with cruiser handlebars. Fits in a trunk or closet, easy on your back. Cons: smaller battery than mid-range picks, no rear differential, no front suspension, narrower tires than fat tire models. Best for first-time buyers, downsizers, anyone storing indoors. Not for long-distance commuters or steep hilly routes. At $620, the folding 700 watts is the cleanest way to start riding 3 wheels. Just starting out? Start here. At number 6, the MOONCOOL Front Drive, the best classic-style trike for riders who want a traditional cruiser feel. Modern trikes look chunky and aggressive. You wanted something that feels like the bike you remember. MOONCOOL gets that right. First, classic 24-inch and 26-inch wheel options. True upright cruiser geometry, not the squat fat tire stance. Next, a 350 watts front hub motor with 700 watts peak. Front-wheel drive gives you a familiar pulling feel, smoother than rear push designs. Finally, a Shimano 7-speed drivetrain with large rear basket, pedal range, plus room for groceries or errands. Cons: front drive grip drops on loose surfaces, smaller battery than fat tire rivals, narrower tires mean less shock absorption. Best for returning recreational riders, riders who hate the e-bike aesthetic. Not for gravel paths or hilly terrain. At $668.99, the front drive is the trike that actually looks like a bike. Want familiar? Get this one. At number 5, the ESKUTE e-trike, the best fat tire folding pick in its budget class. Most budget trikes leave you stranded. Small battery, weak motor, awkward step-over frame. The ESKUTE solves all 3. First, a 500 watt motor peaking at 1200 watts, climbs hills and handles a loaded basket without dragging or overheating. Next, a 624 watt-hour removable 48 volt battery, up to 65 miles per charge, the largest pack in its tier. Charge it indoors and drop it back in. Finally, a low step-through frame with 18-inch by 3 fat tires. Easy mount, plus shock-absorbing tires that smooth out cracked pavement. Cons: no rear differential, no front suspension, and the folding hinge adds weight for a budget tier frame. Best for budget-conscious riders, anyone over 5 feet 10 inches, or riders facing real hills. Not for tandem riders. At $688.99, the ESKUTE delivers premium tier range and power in a budget package. Want maximum range and power in this tier? Done. At number 4, the NARRAK 1350 watts, the best mid-range trike for riders who want serious power and serious stopping. You've outgrown budget trikes. They feel slow on hills, twitchy on descents, and the brakes barely work loaded. NARRAK fixes all of that. First, a 750 watts motor peaking at 1350 watts, real climbing power, handles steep grades with a full basket and heavier riders. Next, a rear central hub motor with differential. The wheels turn independently in corners so the trike doesn't fight tight turns. Finally, hydraulic disc brakes on all 3 wheels. Twice the stopping power of mechanical setups, rain day reliable. Cons: heavier than folding picks, larger storage footprint, and the fat tire stance isn't for classic cruiser fans. Best for hilly area riders, cargo haulers, riders over 200 pounds. Not for tight apartments or casual cruisers. At $1,180, the NARRAK 1350 watts is the trike that finally feels engineered, not assembled. Burned by a weak one? This is the upgrade. At number 3, the MOONCOOL 500 watts, the best aluminum frame trike for quality first buyers. Steel frame trikes flex on turns and rust by year 2. MOONCOOL builds around better materials. First, a 6061 aluminum alloy folding frame. Lighter than steel, won't rust, supports 450 pounds of payload, stays rigid through hard cornering and braking. Next, a 48 volt 15 ampere hour Underwriters Laboratories 2849 certified battery, 35 to 70 miles per charge with full third-party safety testing on the cells. Finally, a front suspension fork with rear differential, smooths bumps and lets the rear wheels turn independently. Cons: 500 watts rated motor lacks peak punch, the fold mechanism adds weight, the aluminum frame transmits road buzz. Best for quality first buyers, riders over 250 pounds, long-haul owners. Not for power chasers or steep hill daily commuters. At $1,299, the MOONCOOL 500 watts is the trike built to outlast the others on this list. Want a trike that lasts a decade? This one will. Quick reminder, if this is helping, hit like and subscribe. Links are in the description. Now the top 2 picks. At number 2, the TINIOVER Creek 2-seater, the best electric trike for riders who travel with a partner, grandkid, or oversized cargo. You want to ride with a partner or haul a real load, but every other trike here is a strict one-rider machine. The Creek changes that. First, a modular rear setup with passenger seat and backrest. Swap to cargo in minutes or run as a true tandem. Next, a 1000 watts rear brushless motor with 80 Nm torque carries a 550-pound combined load up real grades. Tops out at 20 miles per hour. Finally, reverse gear plus a parking brake. Back out of tight spots and hold position on slopes. Game changer for tandem stops. Cons: heavier than solo trikes, larger turning radius, passenger backrest adds wind drag. Best for couples, grandparents with grandkids, cargo haulers. Not for solo riders or apartment storage. At $1,648, the Creek is the only trike here that turns a solo ride into a shared one. Riding with somebody? Grab the Creek. Now for the number 1 pick. This trike has a low recline seat that lets you ride for hours without back pain. The number 1 electric trike is the ADDMOTOR ARISETAN M362, the most advanced semi-recumbent trike built for riders who refuse to give up long rides. You used to ride for hours. Now the upright posture wrecks your back inside 20 minutes. The ARISETAN ends that. First, a semi-recumbent low-seat frame with full back support distributes weight across your back, not your tailbone. Hours feel like minutes. Second, a 750 watts rear-mounted motor with rear differential climbs real grades and lets the rear wheels turn independently in tight corners. Finally, a 48-volt 20-ampere-hour Underwriters Laboratories 2849 certified battery, plus handlebar parking brake, 85 miles per charge, and a brake that holds on any slope. Cons: largest footprint here, layback posture has a learning curve, ships in 3 to 4 days rather than instantly. Best for long-distance riders, anyone with chronic back or wrist pain. Not for storage-tight homes or errand-only routes. At $2,799, the ARISETAN M362 brings back full-day riding. Want the absolute best? Nothing else here comes close. And there you have it, the 7 best electric trikes for 2026. Drop a comment below and tell me which one fits your life. All the links are down in the description. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.